Samuel, here comes your Ford Raptor.
You guys are freaking awesome.
All right, we are here at the hotel. We're gonna pick up Samuel and his dad inside, and then we are gonna go give him his new Raptor and 30 grand cash.
What's going on, dude?
Yeah.
You too. How you doing? Nice to see you.
See ya. Morning, good morning. How are you? Good. How you guys feeling?
Good, man. Rested up.
You ready for your new truck?
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, you guys lead the way. It was 6 p.m. your time, because it was 3 p.m. here. Where were you at? What were you doing? Just walk us through that scenario.
Oh, I was at work. I was doing the dishes.
Okay.
And my boss came back and he came yelling, "Hey, your phone's ringing, your phone's ringing." So yeah, I ran back, picked it up, and you guys answered, and I thought, no, this is a joke. Then when you announced, I was like, no, this is not real.
Then we were talking with your dad last night. Your family didn't believe you.
No.
Your brothers totally thought that you were full of crap.
Yeah.
And then it was not until we posted like congratulations to Samuel that they believed that you showed them the Instagram post, and then they believed it.
Yeah.
We are taking you out right now to the barn to give you your new truck and the cash.
Sweet, man.
How you feeling right now?
Speechless but pumped.
Yeah.
Yes.
Again, we are just so thrilled that you were the winner. The reason that I asked you for the photo of your current car was I want you to turn around right now. So there's your current car.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, my Lord. And we're about to introduce you to your new car. Samuel, here comes your Ford Raptor.
You guys are freaking awesome. This is awesome.
Ford Raptor giveaway for Ronin Factory, $30,000 cash. Samuel Laparra, what did you just win?
I'm Sam Laparra, and I just won $30,000 in the Ford Raptor.
Woo!